In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can interpret inequalities that have been represented on a number line. The first thing I need to talk about is notation. Here you can see that I've got a hollow dot at 2. We also have an arrow pointing up the number line. Now because it's a hollow dot and it's pointing up the number line, this would mean that x is going to be greater than 2. 2 because the dot appeared at 2, greater than because the arrow was pointing up the number line, and it's not equal to simply because it was a hollow dot. So what if the question had been this, where the dot had been filled in? In this case, x would have been greater than or equal to 2. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. The dot again appears at 2, so we know that x has something to do with 2. The arrow is pointing to the left of 2, and it is a solid dot. So that would imply that x has to be less than or equal to, since it's a solid dot, 2.